Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to update Windows 10 to the latest version. So, let's get started. To update Windows 10 to the latest version, open your browser and search for Windows 10 download. Click on the result from Microsoft.com to view the download options. You'll notice a notification at the top prompting you to update to the latest OS release. It says Update Now. Click on that to download the update installer. Now open. I have already updated my window. Then you don't have updated. Let's follow these steps. When you open the installer, it will display which version you currently have installed and confirm if you can update to a newer release. The installer will confirm if your PC can handle the new update. Once you click Next, the update will start to download. Once the download is complete, your PC will start a 30-minute countdown to restart and finish the update. You can choose to click Restart Now to begin the process immediately. Your PC will then restart itself and take over as it installs the new OS version. It will provide an install status and launch to the desktop once complete. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Windows 10 to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.